Ẹ̀yin tèmi, welcome back to my channel. Ẹ ṣé tẹ̀ ń bá mi wo àwọn videos mi. Thank you very much. Mo tún gbé mi wá o. Eléyìí tún gbẹ́nu tán ó lé kí n kà. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ a jọ wò, ẹ má jẹ́ ń rojọ́ jìnnà jù. Ẹ bá mi wò kẹ́ jẹ́ a tún pàdé ní comment section. Kẹ́ máa bá mi like, kẹ́ máa bá mi share, kẹ́ dẹ̀ máa comment. Ó yá, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ tí subscribe, bá mi tẹ subscribe button yín. Kẹ́ dẹ̀ máa tẹ notification button yín so that ẹ máa rí àwọn news tuntun tí n bá ṣe ń gbé wá. Eléyìí lágbára gan-an. Ọwọ́ tẹ fi ń tẹ subscribe, tẹ fi ń tẹ notification button, tẹ fi ń like, tẹ fi ń share, ẹ ní fi gbọ́ ọmọ sí o, ẹ ní fi gba lẹ́tà ìbànújẹ́ lágbára Ọlọ́run, ẹ ní fi sanwó ẹjọ́, ẹ ní fi sanwó àìsàn. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀. Thank you very much. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má lo derogatory comments rárá.
Based on Alujo, we spoke only on Alujo. Àmọ̀dé ń gbọ́ orin ẹgbàgbọ́ sí wa pé kan ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yìn wo. Àwọn tó gbójú jáde gan wọ́n ṣe relevant ká tó sọ pé ìfẹ́ gbójú jáde ẹ̀yẹ pé ẹ̀dẹ̀ ní ṣoríire. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí wò ló wá ní relevant. Ẹ mọ ojú tó ti ń búlì mi ni. Ẹ̀yin búlì mi táwọn àwọn mi bypass. Ẹ̀yin ìsìn. Ẹ̀yin ìràlẹ̀ fracas. Ẹ mọ tó máa pè ní fàánù. Ẹ̀yin tẹ̀tẹ̀ wà lẹ́nu bàtà ẹsẹ̀ mi tẹ̀tẹ̀ wà ló kàbàjẹ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ yín dùn mí bí bò. Repeat it again. Mo dẹ̀ ń gbọ́. Ó mú tiẹ̀ wó tí mo fi sùn lọ. Ẹ sábọ́ọ̀dù ṣe bó rán ẹ pagbo yí pé ó máa ń dùn wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ẹ ṣòro kó wọ̀ fi ń ṣàgbé ni. Ó lè fún ẹ lówó ni, ó ti tán fún ẹ. Ó yẹ kó máa múnú àwọn tòrí ẹdùn. Bọ̀tún mo rò bí ìkan nínú àwọn màálù máa ní ọpọlọ wípé ẹ sábọ̀ ṣá. Màá ní pé kẹ́ ẹ bá mi bẹ̀ wọ́n o. Ebuna water. Kí ló dé mi fi flag page yín mọ́? Because I'm promoting me. Tó yẹ bully yín bá dùn mí ẹsẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ máa gbé page yín lọ. Iṣẹ́ mi ló pọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni energy yín tẹ̀ wọ́n sí.
Mo máa lè dà ṣáapá.
Ẹ pa gbogbo mo ti sọ pé kó bá mi bẹ̀ yàn. Ìbẹ́ yìí lè fẹ́ mọ ara nǹkan tá a sọ pé ní iṣẹ́ you are all jobless. Wọ́n ń jà lékejì ṣe kan. Tó bá dẹ̀ ń jà lékejì, ewu làfẹ́ mọ́ play rẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ òní. Ẹni tí mo fi jọ́ ga yín lórí social media ìgbé ṣòro 8,000. Please, if you do Damilola, I will block you, delete your comment. The man just don't like, I don't care. Block your comment or I block your hands off. Bastard. I know you here. Face anybody, don't face the president or back. Choose your followers, your fans wisely. When you employ an illiterate, this is what we see. Àtìgé àtìmú, wọ́n ti deport ẹ̀ ẹni kó bọ́ sí títí Libya kó lọ sí ìdè kó ṣe káfíńtà kàbọ̀. Wọ́n mú wèrè, wọ́n rù dá sí kò ebi pa. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ lòbí fún content. Èmi ò ní fẹ́ ní àní ìní promote ẹ̀. Mo sọ fún ẹ, you are so aggressive. Mo ní majority yẹn ìyàwó. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí Sunday ṣe sọ ẹ pagbo. Ó ló máa ń bú ẹ sábọ́ọ̀dù. Ó ní because of ẹ fi ẹ sábọ́ọ̀dù run page wọn. Ẹ run page yìí nìyà. Ebi ò lè fi orúkọ gbogbo
ní àlejò àwa nìyẹn o.
Nígbà tí mo dákẹ́ fún Lizzy, sórí followers mọ̀, sórí views mọ̀. I finished him at Dalo, kò sí tó lè sọ mi ní Dalo. But mo Dalo ló ní 800, 700. Kò lè ní nǹkan kan mọ́. Tí máa dá yín ló kù sí ẹ̀ ní nǹkan kan. Ta ló fún yín pé ká lè bá mi bá Dorcas jà? This is absurd. Eris money. Get at my history me and ye task on social media.
Ogologo Eris.
But that will be 5 years. I don't want any speaker. If I want yaba does it ba, she will not lot more did empire company can wodule. And you need the speakers. I'm off to the task. And my energy, Eris okay sicky. And you come baby no hospital but musiki. We are full of energy. And I don't know that what all regret. Pé agbára tó fún ayé ti pọ̀ jù. Màá tẹ̀ wá ní pé kán bá mi bẹ̀yìn ẹyin olóòórùn yìí. Tí mo kún tẹ́ fi ń jẹun nìyẹn, ó ṣe ṣe wọ́n fún yín 20,000 naira tó ń dà fún yín. Mi ì mọ̀ tẹ́ pàgbó sọ fún yín o. He lied. Ó pè mí pé kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Ó dẹ̀ ṣàlàyé fún. Àlùjọ fẹ́ jà ẹgbà bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́rọ̀ tó jáde. Ẹ pàgbọ́ ní pé ṣé mo lè connect òun Àlùjọ lóhùn ò bá wọn sọ. Ẹ ń béèrè pé kí ló báwo la ṣe débi táwa yìí. Agídí la fi débi táwa yìí. Yín mú for what? Níbo ló ti yín mú? Ya get blocking. Get blocking. Yín mú fún olórí burúkú ìyá tó bí ẹ. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, attention, I don't want information here. I'm not gonna hate Dorcas. Dorcas tèmi máa pè láàárọ̀ tó máa gbàdúrà fún. Bàtọ́ máa sọ fún wọ Dorcas lórí wọ̀sán wípé tí inú mi bá dùn pẹ̀lú tó lọ, àwọn ọmọ mi bá ó ti dàgbé ni tí wọ́n máa fa àwọn ọmọ mi eré fún ẹ. And because ìwọ lè ṣù tó ń tọ́yàn tó ń jiyàn lẹ́sẹ̀, we are so bold and confident. I hardly swear on my kids. So not even phone. The much about them. Can be bash you say all the family. Play hard must be a rule. She me want to share from me. No more I mean back in can. Mo defend the opportunity you can defend it. She me mo she got you then. I'm about to share that your ban you get the phone. She mo be anybody with social media you. Torí tèmi làwọn òṣèṣẹ́ update mo ránṣẹ́ sí ní tẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe update fún mi bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ń bá kò bí yín sí ẹ̀ máa pè lásìkò yín sí èmi mo ti gagun sẹ́tẹ́sẹ́ rẹ̀ ní èlé gagun mọ́ ralẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀mú tó ń sọ pé kágbàlagbà bá lóyún at age of 40 above ralẹ̀ ìfanú ralẹ̀ lẹ́yìn.
You say something disrespectful, they'll say something devastating. Yeah. You try to.
So bad disrespect me. Especially to Mutishu, follow you swift to wash your mouth, to clean out the linen for over 8 months. Matumbe kadi mufun lo ba ome. Blocking mode is activated. Below this one. Block Harikerilu for mentioning people on my platform. Block. Mention any other speaker, I block your house. I don't fucking care. Bitaba mo pe mo bold se ma fe da mo le da 20 people lo ma destroy gbogbo 20 people. Ọ̀rọ̀ le yin so yin. Ìpele yin iṣẹ́. Ìpèsè re le bi iṣẹ́. Mo ti lo glasses o ti ń bá mú ẹ blocking mo ti block gbogbo yín tẹ́tẹ̀lé ẹ má wá sí ọ̀dọ̀ mi. I don't have any business with all of you. Àwa analyze bá ṣe débi táwa kí n ṣe dì ó ti máa ṣe ti pẹ́ ni it's your habit because o mọ̀ pé mo lè rántí gbogbo tí mo ṣe fún ẹ o gan regret mo sọ pé o ní anything láti lo against you pé mo yẹ báyìí náà ẹ síta rí. Ìjọ tí mo dẹ̀ ní pé kó bá mi pe ọlọ́pàá mo sọ pé Anna ti file case yẹn ní Dublin bí we are looking for him. All what we want to know tó bá àrẹ́sẹ̀ phone number tó fi bọ́ mo ní sọ. Tí wọ́n bá sọ pé òǹdó ẹ sábọ̀ ẹ tó bọ́ ló máa ń dó dọ́ta mi nínú mọ́tò ti dé mi náà ní mọ́tò rè náà. Ọmọ tá à ń sọ ọmọ kékeré kí ṣe lè dòkó. Ó mọ̀ ṣe ọmọ wa ní lákìrì bọ́tò. Ẹ dẹ̀ níbi tó ti confess. Tí MC Lagos to record it to jù sí mi. Do you want me to go and bring it out in ipe òun parọ́ ni? Kì í ṣe pé ṣe ní PS Jotina Odutina. Lọ́kọ lálẹ́. Tí wọ́n bá dókòtà ní wọ́n fẹ́ fi jọ, èmi gan tó para. Wọ́n pretty ni. Ta ni ọlá ẹ má bínú ẹ kàn fún wọn gẹ́ ni. Please, mind your comment here. Mo ní ẹni tó bá máa wá dá sọ́rọ̀ ìyá ní sẹ́ǹsì tó mú rí pé.
Paramount Plus.
Pé étà sì ti ń bú èmi ti pẹ́ gbé sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kan ni tó gbé mo lórúkọ ni. Báwọn bá dákẹ́ lò mí ò dìde, táwọn bá dákẹ́ lò mí ò dìde, I'm still relevant. But they are not relevant. You cannot see me playing a show. I will come with my mouth to analyze their show. The real one for me views one for me for Kalo beru e ya abolori bu ite gba ni se ti kan bo lowo e kale yin mo ni soju to se ju be lo èmi ni.
Embarrass them. Most people avoid conflict. Aries runs toward it. They're not scared of confrontation. They thrive in it. That
Gbogbo èèyàn máa sá fún jogun tó máa pòwe mọ́ àmì ilé àwa máa move towards it. That is why I will never on this social media kí n kọ́kọ́ wá fún mi no tí má ti fi lè dá yín lò ẹ ti ṣàṣejù ni ṣọlá ó máa jìyà o ọlọ́pàá jọ pé mi àti ẹ̀dọ̀gbìn ó máa jìyà o ogún ojú mi kò wá kí oṣù yìí lè dùn ṣọlá Yusuf tó bá ń bú gbogbo èèyàn ó máa jìyà olóore ẹ mo jẹ́ gbàtọ́.
Kí má fi pé mo kàn jókòó mi fún yín ní update. So Olushola Yusuf is also somebody who was close to Esabod at the time. So she's a woman who worked with Esabod, like she was working for Esabod at the house and Esabod was paying her and all of that. Again, standard fracas practice. They fell out and Olushola Yusuf fell out with Esabod and came online and said so many despicable things about her, about her kids, about her family, about her living environment, and said a lot of things anyway on social media. And there was a huge back and forth again between Esabod and Olushola Yusuf. So I'm just telling you this for context so you know who Olushola. When you hear Shola is a lady that worked with Esabod, was also a speaker on Facebook, is still a speaker on Facebook, and they had a fallout, and she came online and said all sorts about Esabod. Ejo me kin like the platform me panel me by empty by 245. I need 5 people to send a request. Emma Paloke Wajokos okay. While you watch the show, 5 people send a request, come up and come and watch this show. Awesome. Oh yeah, I feel seats me. It's not fun when the seats are empty.
Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Àwọn èké ìbídùn is washing. Good afternoon.
5 people ni mo bèrè fún request. Tani mo fẹ́ mú já mọ́ wọlé báyìí sí ẹ. Hold on, let me see who is the last person I'm going to bring up.
Lọ sí comment section kẹ́ gbá wọn èèyàn.
No, kí ló dé? Mo ní 5 people yẹn wá fẹ́ bọ́lẹ̀ torí kíni. Èrò kọ̀ pọ̀ ní kíni ní temple.
Our cat and rat is washing. Wọlé jáde is washing.
Thank you so much for the gift. Thank you. Wig and packet hair. Hi, how are you? Okay, Edeka Mawolo. So that's who Olushola is. To those of you who do not know, Olushola is.
Ó ṣe jọ̀ọ́ má bínú, who is Dorcas?
Okay, Dorcas is.
Get it.
Okay, so Dorcas on Facebook, her name is House of TMS or TMS Boss Lady. She's also a speaker on Facebook. So she's a speaker, she has a huge following, and she does, she was once involved in fracas as well. As with everybody, I'm no longer involved in fracas, Dorcas is also no longer, she said she's no longer involved in fracas, but she has a relationship with Mama. They have a mother and daughter relationship. Just like the mother and daughter relationship is not something that goes on for long. They go through phases where they have misunderstandings, where they fight, and where, things happen between them, and then these shows happen. So Dorcas is a speaker on Facebook. Her page is TMS Boss Lady.
Now.
Her name is TMS Boss Lady or House of TMS. Okay, so that's who Dorcas is. She's another speaker on Facebook, basically. All right, let's continue.
That is Aries would pile it up. Social media man down. Can you first have a to fast Kolobakola? I will very rescue. Elise will very rescue. I will very rescue. I will very rescue. Oremi asema diga Gbodo to ba dun wa wa se mo.
energy alone makes bullies back down. Aries has the sharpest tongue in the zodiac. They know
Hey, you're about to lady, sister Michelle. How are you, sis?
Tiga ba ti de yo mo ka gbogbo ni jere gbogbo àwọn ọmọ yín. A máa ń gbàdọ̀ pé ayé ò lè yí kádàrá mi padà. That's me. ṣé mo jẹ́ lórí kìíní ni? Yes, you provoke me, màá gbáyé yín jẹ́. Remain lọ yan lẹ́yìn. Now, Dorcas, towards the end, mo rí kìíní ẹ̀ bí mo ṣe jí, orí pé mo lè ṣe ṣojú mi bí mo ṣe jí. Nígbà tí Adédèjì sọ pé màmá ẹ̀ jọ pé kìíní kan níbo. But towards the end, ó ní báwo la ṣe dé bí pé kí n ṣe dì. This is not your first time. Téyọ̀ bá ti ní àròjinlẹ̀. So téyọ̀ bá rìnrìn àfojúdi. Nítorí kò ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wọn ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí. Èmi ẹ̀ má dẹ̀rù bá Káyọ̀dé mi lórí social media. Gbogbo tó sọ towards the end pé bọ́ṣẹ́ bú màmá kò tẹ̀ lọ́rùn. Jesus Christ. Má fi yẹn gbé mi mọ́ra. Òjijì àmì ni kí ló kẹ́gbẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe ń bú mi. Gbà tí ìṣe pé ìyá ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ń bú. Ṣé mo?
So one of the shows, Timothy Gbodo and Jometayi, when with all these things happening between them and being on Facebook, being on TikTok and hearing their show, is that Dorcas has said that in some of the conversations, Timothy Gbodo, she has said that no matter what happens, I'm not going to fight Mama, and me oniba Mama ja, and you told me Emma bo Mama. So that's what Esabod is referring to. In all fairness to her, I haven't heard her abuse the Esabod this period. But again, I've not seen her shows. I feel like I probably should have played her shows first before playing this ball. So at the moment, I have not seen her abuse Mama. Maybe you'll throw shade, maybe. But obviously, I'm not sure what it is.
That's a nice shade. Gloss.
But
that's a nice shade.
Thank you, lovely. But she also only make sure Mama and she's telling her people, don't fight Mama, don't abuse Mama for me. So that's what somebody is referring to here. Let's continue.
Never discuss pẹ̀lú ẹ̀rí tó ń dún mi bó ṣe ń bú Dorcas. Má ló yẹn as an excuse. Face your own warrant.
Okay, something about not getting update, okay.
Tí mo gbọ́ towards the end. Kí n tó jáde bá ní kí n wò from the beginning. Ó wá ní pé bó lè ṣe débi bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe débi màá tún rẹ̀ létí. Kì í ṣe àwọn aríbi pa àwọn ọmọ òṣì tó ń tẹ̀lé ẹgbẹ́ òkúlókò mi ti block wọn mi ìrọ́dọ̀ ètí wọn. Tẹ́yìn bá sẹ́ndì ẹ̀rí pé mo sẹ́ndì mo expose yín lórí inbox ni I don't want to see them. Àwọn tó lórúkọ gan mi tí ì dá wọn ló ń sẹ̀. Ká tó ráwọn tó gbójú pamọ́. Ó ní báwo la ṣe débi because you don't have a trust. Ìwọ́gùn trust rẹ̀. Ìtí alákatá bá jẹ ló fi ń lo ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀. Tó pé wọ́n jẹ́ túlétúlé ibi ìrìnsẹ̀ túlétúlé. Àwọn ìkàkà kọ́ lọ́rùn ògbọ́n tí bá bọ́ lọ́rùn bá gbọ́ kí ni bá bá ọlọ́run bá yàrá yìí fẹ́ ṣe fẹ́ support. Ọ̀gá ni master. Ṣé mi ò dábọ̀ ní bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ kìíní? Kò máa lagídí àdéhùn lájà. Agídí ló sọ èdè bí rẹ̀ yìí. Kò dẹ̀ strange ìwà ẹ̀ gangan ni. Àwọn haters tó ń búlé ẹ̀gán tí mò ń gbé jẹ. Màmá má fi ọwọ́ dùn. Unless I should block, don't come and play it on my platform. Money me, olórí burúkú lè money me for you, nimbi. Bye forever. Money, ekini kebe, ekiji kebe, eta bebe. I've made up my mind. Ekini kebe, eketa kebe, eyomo oloshi yẹn má débi. Don't come and plead when I'm talking. I don't look for followers.
So the people who are going to beg Esabod, yeah, I feel like you people have known this woman for a very long time. Stranger ni Esabod is saying, you know that when she's upset like this, you don't have to go and beg her. So I feel like when you beg her, you go and beg her to gaslight her or to get her to react. Etimo, yeah, don't bother begging her. Just leave her, let her do what she wants to do. When she's calm, you can then go and speak to her because then you can get through to her. But when she's upset, you cannot get through to her. So sometimes, again, when she's upset like this, people will go and be begging her just to trigger her to be more upset.